One of the most common things homeowners ask us is how much longer will my roof last? Hey, I'm Kyle. I'm the lead field manager here at Van Martin Roofing. That's really a tough question to answer without a proper inspection, but there are some clear clues that can help you tell if your roof is nearing the end of its life. Let's start with what you can see from the ground. 1, curling or cracking shingles. This usually means that your shingles have dried out and lost its flexibility, so they can't protect against the wind and rain like they used to. Number 2, the granular loss. Those little sand-like rocks in your gutters or driveway are from the surface of your shingles. Once they start shedding, the shingles lose their UV protection and begin to wear out faster. 3, dark streaks or stains. That's usually algae or moisture damage. Not only unsightly, but also a sign of poor drainage or trapped humidity on your roof. And 4, missing or damaged shingles. Even small gaps let water in, which can damage the wood decking below. Now, check inside your home for the following. Water stains on ceilings or walls often mean leaks are starting. If you can get into your attic safely, look for daylight coming through the boards or signs of dampness. That's a red flag. In Ohio, our freeze-thaw cycles and heavy storms, even a 10 or 15-year roof can wear out early if it wasn't vented or installed properly. On the other hand, a high-quality, well-ventilated roof can easily last 25 to 30 years or more with minimal maintenance. That's why we always recommend a professional inspection. At Van Martin, we take photos, check every layer of your roofing system, and give you a clear, honest report, whether a repair could buy you some more time or if a full replacement would actually save you money long-term. And we'll never try to sell you something you don't need, just the truth backed by what we see. If you're unsure how much longer your roof will last, click the link in our bio to schedule your free inspection. We'll show you exactly what's happening with your roof and what to do next.